Think folding a paper airplane is easy? Let's see if you can build one that actually flies far. Grab a standard 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper and follow along. Start by folding the paper in half lengthwise, then unfold it. That center crease will guide every fold from here on. Next, fold the top edge down, leaving about 1 inch of space at the bottom. Open it back up, then fold along the crease you just created. This helps create a stronger nose for better flight. Now bring both top corners toward the center line to form two clean triangles. Make sure both sides are perfectly even. Unfold those triangles and use the new crease lines to fold each side inward again. Take your time here. The cleaner your folds, the better your airplane will perform. You'll notice small paper flaps sticking out. Carefully tuck those layers into the center pocket to lock the entire model together. This keeps the airplane from unfolding during flight. Now fold the whole airplane in half along the center crease. Then fold down one wing, flip it over, and repeat on the other side. Try to keep both wings exactly the same size so the airplane stays balanced in the air. That's it. Your paper airplane is ready. Open the wings, give it a gentle forward throw with a slight upward angle, and watch it glide smoothly across the room. Now it's your turn. Test how far it can fly and see if you can beat your own distance record. Good luck and happy flying. If you want, I can also make it sound more viral and energetic. Lee, make it sound more viral and energetic.
The party that's